we learn what are conditional statements and how to use them in our Python program. We also saw how to use if and if else statements. But there could be a reason for us to use if within an if, which is nothing but enclosing one if condition within another if condition. So here we can see that we have four conditions, namely the condition with order total greater than 500, order total greater than 350, order total greater than 200. And we saw that when we use that with if, all of them got executed. Now we know that the minimum order total is going to be rupees 200. So we can have something like if inside if. So let's do that. So let's comment out this block of code as we do not want that to be executed. And since we know that if the order total is greater than 200, it's obviously going to be the first thing that we want to check. Inside this, we can check if the order total is greater than 350. Then we want to give a discount. So the discount will be of 25%. Total minus equal to order total multiplied by discount 1, basically 20% discount. This is what we will be giving. So let's put our print statement here. You received discount of 25%. But still we have one more condition, which is order total greater than 500. So for that we need to make sure that we first check if the order total greater than 500, then we want to give 25% discount, as well as the delivery charges won't be applied. So let's say print you received discount of 25% and order total minus or equal to order total into discount 1. So obviously we want this to be part of else, where discount will be applied but the delivery charges will be added. So we got covered with the order total greater than 350 as well as order total greater than 500. Now here we can add else, which will add a discount of 20% if the order total is not greater than 350. And we already have covered if the order total is less than 200 can be taken care by this else. So now let's see by executing this program whether our logic is correct or not. Python if else ladder, and yes, our order total is now 567.34 rupees. So we received a discount of 25% plus we received no delivery charges. Now let's see whether that is correct or not. So let's add one print statement here which says you have received free delivery. Okay. Now just see whether our greater than 500 condition is getting evaluated or it is going inside the else part. Let's execute our program, Python if else ladder, and here we can see that it actually went inside 500 because it says you received a discount of 25% and you have received free delivery. Can see that there is an if condition over here which has its own else part on line number 35. Then there is one more if condition on line number 22 which has its own else part which is there on line number 31, and inside the if condition there is one more if condition which is on line number 23 and it has its own else part. This also adds a complexity to our program, and also there is a high chance of having bugs getting introduced because of this. It might lead to wrong results or sometimes it may crash the entire program. If we check the requirement again, we can see that what we needed was just one of the conditions to be executed at one time instead of checking one condition after the other. So here we can actually use an elif statement, which is another form of using conditional statements where elif is a short form for else if. So we use if, elif, and the else together to solve a problem. So let's see an example of that.